Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the WhatsApp notifications sound on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up WhatsApp and tap on the settings cog in the bottom right corner. In Settings, tap on Notifications. Tap Sound under the Message Notifications heading. You can now choose from a few different sounds. Tap one to select it and then tap Save in the top right corner. You also have the option to have a different sound for group notifications, or make it so that there is no sound for group notifications. Tap Sound below the Group Notifications heading. If you want to turn off sound for group notifications, then select None and tap Save. To change the sound, just tap on the sound you would like to change to select it, and then tap Save in the top right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.